Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Inspirational Sketches stamp set, the Everyday Arches dies. This is an online exclusive, along with some Sale-A-Bration paper, the Toadstool Garden 6x6 designer series paper. As you can see, I'm almost out of this paper. I do have another pack, but yeah, this is almost done. So before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Hello Spring paper pumpkin kit. It's going to make 9 cards. Petunia Pop is going to be the ink spot. Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12 that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. We have our mystery boxes. Mystery boxes are the medium USPS flat rate boxes that I have stuffed full of new, used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. However, during Sale-A-Bration, I am having a promotion. When you spend $100 in product and you use my host code, I'm going to send you a mystery box for free. If your order is over $150 or more, you don't have to use the host code and I'll still send you your box for free, okay? And during Sale-A-Bration, we also have a join special. When you purchase the starter kit, it costs $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. During Sale-A-Bration, you have 2 bonus offers. So the first option is you can get this exclusive stamp set with 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers, any color family that you choose. That's a $91 value. If you're not interested in that, you can choose option number 2, which is to add $30 more to your $125 worth of product that you're only paying $99 plus tax for, and the shipping will be free, okay? So don't forget, during Sale-A-Bration, whenever you spend $60 or more on product, you get to earn a free Sale-A-Bration item. So let's get started on our project because that is all of the buzzworthy business. The first thing we're going to do is do some die cutting. So I have a piece of the designer series paper. It is 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to die cut that with one of the Everyday Arches dies. So I'm just want to get everything together here. Let me put this right here. And we're going to put this die. I don't know which one this is. Let me see. Let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the center. And we're going to try to get this right here in the middle. As middle as Shauna can get. I'm just going to hold that down. And let's run this through. Okay, so I have that all die cut out. Now let's just remove our die. Careful with the washi tape so you don't tear your designer series paper. So now we do not need this piece. Ooh, that's kind of crooked, but it's gonna have to do because what else can I do? So this is our card base. It is Melon Mambo 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I'm gonna burnish that score line down with my bone folder. And I'm gonna put this designer series paper right here. And I'm just going to mark with my pencil where this paper, where that opening is, because I have another sheet of designer series paper that is 3 by 4. This is part of that same designer series paper. Let's see where will I put this paper right here. Then I want to put this on here like that. So let's go ahead and mark our other piece of designer series paper, and then we're going to do some stamping. Okay, so I have the mushroom from the Inspirational Sketches stamp set and some early espresso. And we're going to ink this up, and I want to make sure my image goes in between that those markings. Isn't that pretty? Woo, goodness. And so then I can erase these markings. So we don't need that anymore. Oh, I need this ink still, because I do have an inside piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're gonna stamp our mushrooms down here at the bottom, just like that, just to give the insides a little bit of decoration. Okay, then we have a piece of basic white here that is 5/8 inch by 2 3/4. We're going to stamp our sentiment. We're using Melon Mambo ink, and the sentiment says "Grateful for You." And we're going to stamp that right here in the middle. Okay, so we have that done. Now I'm going to take some liquid glue. We're going to glue this down to our card base. And I want to cover up, try to get this right in the middle. And what I'll do before that glue sets is just set this on here to make sure we have it, yep, right where we want it. And then I can press this down. And let me see, I have another strip of designer series paper that is 1/2 inch by 4 3/4. It will be 4 3/4 once we cut it down. I need to get some more glue. This is running out. So we're gonna just layer this right here on the side. Okay, and then I have some early espresso that is a little bit more than 1/8, but not quite 1/4. And we're gonna put that right alongside of our DSP, our designer series paper. Come on, glue. I'll switch you out in a minute. Or how about right now? Okay, put this on here. Ooh, that looks like a lot of glue came out. Okay, we're gonna just leave that to sit because that's a lot of glue. I don't want to squish it out. Where did our sentiment go? We have another piece of early espresso here. This one is a 3/4 inch by 2 7/8, and we're going to glue our sentiment to that early espresso. Oh goodness, I can't see. It's too dark on my desk here. Okay, so we have that, and I think I want to pop this up. So let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm gonna put a few on here because I don't want my card to be saggy. One more should do it, maybe. I'll put one right there in the center. You guys know I like to overload things with dimensionals. Okay, I think, yeah, let's see. I think this is all I wanted to do. I only halfway designed this card in my head before I started cutting stuff and making this video. So I'm not sure, because it's an opening. Anytime I have an opening like this, I want to make a shaker card, but I don't really want this to be a shaker. Let's put this. Oh, that looks pretty good. I did pretty good. And then we're just gonna put this down right here. So I'm gonna put some dimensionals on this as well. And I'm putting them more not on the edge of the back of my sentiment, so that the dimensionals can pop right onto this layer, and so the edges will be at the right height. Ooh, yeah. I think I want to use some Wink of Stella. I think we'll use some Wink of Stella on these mushrooms. And I'm going to just go over the little shadow lines that they have here. I think that'd be cute. Yes, indeedy. This was not part of my plan, but like I said, I only got half of this planned out in my head before I start making the video. The reason I did that is because I have to take opportunities to record when I can, and my house is quiet, except for my granddaughter upstairs giving her dad a fit as usual. She wants to be down here, but he took her upstairs so I can record. So that now he's squealing. I think I want to put it up a little bit. Why do I feel like I need some ribbon or something on here? I wanted this. Let me put some glue on the back of these dimensionals. I'm putting the glue on the back because this is a tight fit and I want it to be even. So I need to be able to move the dimensionals around so I can get it evenly spaced. I think that's pretty good. Right there. Okay. Don't mess with it, Shauna. So now we're going to go ahead and trim this up and get, we need to get our espresso layer for the inside. This is not cut straight. Oh, and I have a little bit down here. Okay. So we have early espresso that is 5 by 3 3/4. Get my stamping seal. I'm going to add a little adhesive. Just one moment while I answer my door. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and glue this to the inside of our card. Oh, forgot this is new glue. I can't squeeze too hard. Too much will come out. And let's slit this on the inside our card base. Just like that. And then the last thing we're going to do is embellish. So I'm going to use the, what are these? The purple Adhesive-Backed sequins. This is also a Sale-A-Bration freebie that you can choose when you place a qualifying order. $60 or more in product. And there's no limit to how many freebies you can get. So if you place an order of 120, you can get 2 freebies or one that is at $120 level. Yeah. If you place $240, you can get 4. Like, no limit at all. The more you spend, the more you earn for free. That's pretty. What do you think? Do you like it? It's nice and simple, but it's pretty. I just wanted to show that you don't have to get the Terrific Toadstool stamp set if you already have the Inspirational Sketches. So you'll have something to use with this beautiful designer series paper. And if you don't like the mushroom side, as you can see, you can use the opposite side and it works with anything. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.